Hello everyone, welcome to Math Jamboree. We are today solving some digital SAT math type of questions from the topic of parts of a circle. You might face this kind of questions in the digital SAT mathematics. I'm trying to, I created these questions for you, so these are like SAT type of questions. I want you to give it a try. To just practice to get better before the test. I strongly recommend you to pause the video right now and just take a screenshot of this, or you can just jot it down on a piece of paper and give it a try to solve it and pretend like as if you're in the official test right now. Give it a try to solve it at the end of the video. Afterwards, you can just check your solution from the video as well. Alright, I assume you paused the video and you're looking for the solution. Let's dive into it. Which of the following coordinates lie on the circle whose equation is x plus 4 squared plus y minus 1 squared is equal to 25? To solve this equation, the question, we will just substitute the x and y values in the given equation, and we're just going to look whichever the choice is satisfying the given equation. So let's dive into it. This is x and y value. For the first one, we're going to put negative 4 for x and 6 for y. Then negative 4 plus 4 squared plus 6 minus 1 squared. Does this equal to 25? Let's check. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0. 0 squared is 0. Plus 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 squared is 25. When you add 0 and 25, do you get 25? Yes, you do. So the answer should be A for this one. But let's check the other choices as well. This time we're going to substitute 0 for x. 0 plus 4 squared plus 1 for y. Does this equal to 25? 0 plus 4 is 4, squared is 16, and plus 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 to the power of 2 is 0. That does not give you 25. So therefore, this is not the answer. And let's check choice C. This time we're going to substitute negative 1 for x and 2 for y. Negative 1 plus 4 squared plus 2 minus 1 squared. Does it give you 25? Let's check. Negative 1 plus 4 is 3. 3 squared is 9. Plus 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 squared is 1. Does this give you 25? When I add 1 and 9, do I get 25? No, I don't. And let's check 4 and 4. This time we're gonna substitute for both x and y 4. 4 plus 4 squared plus 4 minus 1 squared. Does it equal to 25? That's what we're looking for. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 squared is 64. And 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 squared is 9. And does this give you 25? Not even close. Therefore, D is not the answer, C is not the answer, but A will be the final answer for the specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have questions or comments, feel free to make it below there. See you next time. Bye-bye.